If I improve only 1% every day, that means I have completed my 1%, and now I have left only 99% to do. So, hi everyone, my name is Kamini and I'm from CG. And I just want to say that when I had no YouTube channel, when I had no communication skills, still I do not have communication skills, and I am improving and I am working on it. And I want to say that earlier I used to watch videos, like I used to scrolling on YouTube channel. I was not doing any productive work. I was not doing any good work. Like I was just studying. I was completing my syllabus. I was completing my all classes. I was not doing any productive work. But now I am improving myself. I am working on my self improvement, and I I not used to speak like that. Like I am recording myself, and I record myself. I record videos and I upload on YouTube. And I was not that kind of a person, but now I am improving myself day by day, little by little. And I just want to say that earlier I have earlier I had my dreams, and still I have my all dreams, and I have to complete all my dreams, and I am working on it. I am improving myself day by day, and I don't know. Literally, I don't know how much time it will take. I don't know when opportunity will come and knock my door, but I have to be ready. I will have to be ready. I will have to be prepared for that. So I am improving myself, and I do not care. Like I don't care what are people thinking about me, what people are thinking about me, and who will judge me. Like this is obvious that people will judge you, but you have to focus on your work. Like if I if I talk about me, I have completed my education, I have completed my graduation, PG and all. And now I am preparing for exams, and like people say that if I have if I have completed my education, that why I am not working, I am not doing any job. So just I want to say that I know I have so many dreams, and I know how to complete it. And I think this is the main reason that children do not trust on their relatives. Like children don't share their feelings to their parents, their friends, and their relatives. And I think this is the main reason that children trust on stranger age comparison to their parents and their friends, their relatives. And that is why I am sharing my feelings with you. Like I do not share my feelings with my parents, and you can see that I am sharing my feelings in front of camera and with you. So I just want to say that I am focusing myself, and I know what I have to do. And if English can give me that much confidence, if English keeps me consistent and motivated, then why not I learn it? And I am learning this language, and I feel so proud that I am doing something productive work. And you know what? When I see myself in front of camera, I feel that just wow, I am doing great, something good. Like even I feel that my camera also say that Kamini, you are doing good. You are just doing good. You are improving yourself, and that is good. And this is good for yourself, for your career. So I just want to say that just take action, improve yourself, and be the best version of yourself. And I have so many dreams, and I know sometimes I compare myself to other, and I think that this is okay. Like I also compare me to myself, and I have my dreams, and I want to fulfill all that with my own money. Like, I want I want my own scooty, I want my own shelter, buy my own money. So that is okay. That I want to become a self-gifting person. So I am improving myself day by day, and I don't think that what people are thinking about me, and I do not think that who will judge me. Like, I just focusing myself, my career, and if you find this video useful, then I will be really grateful, and thank you so much for being a part of this journey and watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next video with new topic and with new energy.